Hi, my name's Alfredo from the Upfirst team. If you use Calendly and you're looking for an AI phone receptionist that can connect to Calendly and book appointments for you, you're in the right place. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and do a demo call so you can hear what this sounds like, and then I'll walk through the setup end to end between Calendly and Upfirst, which is our AI receptionist platform. So first things first, I'm going to call my AI receptionist and ask to book an appointment.
Thank you for calling up first. How may I help you?
Hi there, I'm interested in your services and I was hoping to book a sales call.
Sure, I'd be happy to help you schedule a sales meeting. Do you have a particular date or time in mind, or would you prefer the earliest available slot?
Do you have anything on Monday?
Sure, I can check for Monday. Are you looking for any specific time on Monday, or is any time during the day fine with you?
Monday morning would be ideal.
I have several openings on Monday morning. The earliest options are 9 in the morning, 9:30, or 10. Would any of those work for you?
10 works great.
Sure thing. May I have your first and last name to hold that spot?
Yes, it's Alfredo Salkeld. That's spelled Salkeld as in dog.
Thanks, Alfredo. Could I also get your email address so we can send you the meeting details?
Yes, it's just alfredo at upfirst.ai.
Great, thanks. Is the number you're calling from the best one to reach you at, or would you prefer a different number?
No, this number's great.
Your sales meeting is booked for Monday, June 15th at 10 in the morning. You'll receive confirmation at alfredo@upfirst.ai. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's it. Thank you. And so there you go. Now I'll give it a moment. I'm going to go ahead and refresh Calendly. And if I go to meetings, and here you'll see I have my meeting booked with Alfredo Salkeld at June 15th at 10 a.m. So how to set this up. First thing, you're going to need a paid Calendly account. Calendly requires a paid account for this integration. Once you have a paid Calendly account, then head to scheduling and make sure that you have your appointment types set up because Upfirst is going to pull from your configuration here. So set the duration, set your buffer, all within Calendly. Then head to Upfirst. You're going to go to integrations, and next to Calendly, you're going to hit enable. I've already enabled it on this account. So once you've done that, then you can click on configure appointments. And when you add an appointment type, so I've created one here, you're going to give it a name. So I'm calling it sales meeting. Then select the appointment type from Calendly. So within Calendly, I had an in-person meeting and a virtual meeting, but I want all sales meetings to be virtual. So I'd select virtual meeting and then give your receptionist instructions for when to offer this. So here I've got offer this appointment if it's a lead interested in our services, but you can also add some qualification criteria here. So you could say only offer it if the caller confirms they receive more than 2,000 calls per month. Then you'll save the appointment type and you're all set. An important detail, if there's information that you want the receptionist to collect as part of this booking process, then make sure to click on training, and within your training, make sure you specify to the receptionist any questions you wanted to ask as part of the booking process. So I've got name, phone number, and email here, but if there's any qualification questions, you would just write out instructions to your receptionist telling it to make sure to collect this information prior to booking the meeting. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. If you've got an Upfirst account, even if it's a trial, just click this support button at the bottom and send us a message and we'd be happy to help you out. Thanks so much.